guys, it's Jamie with Not Too Shabby. I'm so excited you're here. Today is the release day of our quarterly release, Cottage Charm. It is such a pretty release. I have a couple freebies for you. So when you spend $60, you're going to get the brand new sparkling enamel dots. This one's called Cherry Blossom Spring Cottage collection, and it matches perfectly with the two collections in here. If you spend $100, I will add this beautiful holographic sticker in your package. So you must spend $100 to receive this, or this is available for purchase as well. It says have a cup of positivity right on the sticker. Matches the collection. So we have two collections in this release. We have two 4x6 stamp sets, one 6x6 stamp set, a standalone die, and two ephemera packs, and two 6x6 paper pads. Let's start with the beautiful stamp set. So we have two stamp sets that coordinate beautifully together. This one's called Cup of Tea. I love this image with the two birds looking at each other. There's cherry blossoms on the branch. This is another great one with the little bird perched on the teacup. We have a beautiful teacup here with a butterfly. We have the tea kettle. We have another single butterfly, a cherry blossom, a smaller cherry blossom, a solid heart that you can use to stamp the color for the little heart on that cup. We have solid little hearts and ones that you can color in. The sentiments read, tea time. You are so lovely. There's always room for you on my branch. I love that sentiment with this image. Tweetheart, you're my cup of tea. Hello, sweet friend. There is a coordinating die. Now, all these products are available for purchase individually, but I do have in limited quantities the whole bundle. So if you wanted to get the whole release at a bundle discount, that is also listed in the shop. So for that, you're going to get everything here except this die here. This is a previous die. This is back in stock. This is the Cozy Mug die. We have an add-on die that will be in the bundle. So this is the Cozy Mug Bunny add-on die. So this little die is going to go perfect with your Cozy Mug die. So it comes with a cute little bunny head, the little paws, the little bow tie, the bunny butt. There is a tea bag and the word hoppy. And this little piece here that you can put over the O and make it really cute. You can use this die on its own, or you can pair it up with the Cozy Mug die. And I'll share a card that I did using that. So there's that Cozy Mug die. I used the spoon from the die set. And then the Spring Bunny add-on, I used the little tea bag, the word hoppy, and this cute little bunny. I added some enamel dots to his eyes and added some blush, and it turned out really cute. The paper that I used is from our Spring Coffee paper pad. So let's take a look at the other stamp set. This is the Good Morning stamp set. So these two stamp sets are going to pair beautifully together. So I have the cup handles facing to the left on that one and the cup handles facing to the right on this one. So you can pair these two cups up and they'll look beautiful together. Same with the little pot. They're facing different directions. So you can do different techniques. You can have two pots together facing each other or use them on their own. So for this one here, we have a beautiful teacup with roses on it. There's some single roses in here, a feather, the tea kettle, we have a butterfly, a bird on a branch. This really cute bird in the nest is going to be so cute. Stamped inside the cup. And I'll show you a card that I did later in the video. And then a watering can. The sentiments say, good morning, my little friend. You fill my day with happiness. Start each day with a song. The die does cut out all the images, the sentiments, and it will cut inside all of the handles on both stamp sets. This beautiful background stamp is called Cherry Blossom Background Stamp. It is gorgeous. And I'm going to pop a picture of Alicia's, who is Call Me Crafty Al. Her card that she did using this stamp set. Oh my gosh, so stunning. And check out this beautiful card from Julie. Looks like she used watercolors on her cherry blossoms. And Jackie, gorgeous. Looks like she colored it up with some Copics. And we've got the two collections here, Simply Spring and Beautiful Blossoms. And you can see on the enamel dots, this side will match this collection here. This side will match this collection here. Plus the green does go match this collection here, and the pink does match this collection here, and of course the white. So it all matches and it's wonderful. So this is on the website if you want to grab extra packs. That is available. All right, so let's start with the beautiful blossoms. This is so pretty. So we've got cherry blossoms, there's cute little bows, and I love this one. So pretty. Here's a photo from our design team member using this sheet of paper. I love it. There's cupcakes and little cakes and teacups stacked up with cherry blossoms on the top. Beautiful glitter. Beautiful prints. I love this one with the tea kettle. So pretty. Beautiful ombre glitter. This one has a bouquet and some high heels. Very, very pretty, so that can be used for a lot of occasions. I'm thinking Valentine's Day, Sweetheart's Day, a tea party, maybe a prom, a birthday, a Mother's Day. I mean, I can think of a lot of occasions. Love the little bows. So, so pretty. So you do get 4 of each in there. And then for the coordinating ephemera, I'm going to put a photo out so you can see everything. So we've got some blank circles. You can stamp some sentiments or use them for little backdrops. We've got a cake stand with cupcakes, a beautiful teacup, some beautiful cherry blossoms. I love this one on the branch. Decorated cupcakes with cherry blossoms. There's some cute little bows in here. Smaller little cherry blossoms. There's a bouquet in here. The tea kettles are really cute. They match that sticker. Beautiful cupcakes and teacups. I love the ones stacked up. So, so pretty. Take a look at the Simply Spring collection. This is gorgeous, very cottagey, beautiful prints, perfect for spring cards. I love the bunny in this collection. So cute. The ephemera is going to go beautifully with this paper pad. So, so pretty. I can't say enough good things about this paper pad. I love the little butterfly print. Beautiful. There's a tiny butterfly print. So, so pretty. You do get 24 designs, 2 of each for this one. And let's share the ephemera. So pretty. And there's a lot of little butterflies in here. So you can use those as embellishments around your card. You could bend it in half and kind of flip up the wings and add a pop dot underneath. Make it dimensional. Here's an example from the design team. Oh, I love this one. Isn't that so sweet? That bunny is just so sweet. Little birds, little jars with flowers. Oh, I love that little bunny. So, so sweet. There's florals, tons of butterflies. Look at this chair that says relax. And then there's these girls in here. We have her in different sizes, different hair colors, different skin tones. You get a lot of these girls. She's really pretty. She's sitting, she's got a bouquet of flowers. There's flowers in her hair. I'll share a picture from the design team. There's a little camera. Really, really cute images. The bird images in here are really cute. There's a hedgehog that's adorable. Oh, let me get the other hedgehog. He's so cute. These ones are really, really cute. All right, so I'll lay out the photo for you so you can see everything. I want to show you all the cards I created. This card here is from the Cup of Tea set. I used those cute little birds and the sentiment here that says there's always room for you on my branch, and the cherry blossom images. Turned out so pretty. I just love it. Really, really cute. I did pop up this panel with foam tape so the inside is recessed, and then I popped up the cherry blossom and the birds so they didn't fall into the circle. I glued them to the edges. I think it turned out really, really pretty. The leftover images that I colored from the set, I will be making another card, and the inside from the circle I could use for a backdrop for this next card that I create. Here's a card using the Beautiful Blossoms paper pad and coordinating ephemera. I added some of the enamel dots, a little bit of stickles to the cup. Turned out super, super pretty. It says tea time. This next one here is really, really pretty. It says, "You're my cup of tea." I added that beautiful cherry blossom branch and a cluster of 3 here in the corner. From the Simply Spring collection, made a really, really cute card. Used 4 pieces of ephemera. The sentiment, "Start each day with a song," and topped it off with some enamel dots. Used a glittered peel-off strip with the paper. Turned out really pretty. Here's another card using the Simply Spring paper pad and the stamp set Good Morning. I used the sentiment, "You fill my day with happiness," added a crumpled up seam binding bow, and colored the images with Copic markers. This next card was made with the Cozy Mug Bunny add-on set, and I have my cute little bunny butt jumping into the cappuccino or ice cream, whatever you want to make this, and stamped out "Hello Sweet Friend" with that beautiful butterfly background paper. Here's one more card using the bunny add-on set, and this card I have the cup with some tea. There's a little tea bag, a spoon, and then I have my little bunny popping out. I did use the Hoppy word die and popped up the little bunny head. Added some enamel dots, to his eyes. I couldn't find my googly eyes. I really wanted to use those. So when I do find them, I want to definitely try that. Added some blush to his cheeks, and the paper in the background is from the Spring Coffee paper pad. So I hope you guys enjoy the inspiration. I'll have some photos right here for you of the design team and what they created. I'm going to play some music and show a slideshow of some photos so you can get inspired from the design team. They created some beautiful projects with this release. All links will be in the description box for you. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for shopping, and I will see you real soon in the next video. Bye guys!